Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some MCQs on about skeleton system. These questions are very important in upcoming exams of DSSB, AIMS, PGI, UP, NHM or National Health Mission and ESIC and GMCH. So please watch it, be carefully. So before starting the video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos and share with your friends. So now let's start. Question number first. Which of the following bones is associated with hip replacement surgery? There are four options: A. Patella, B. Sternum, C. Femur, and D. Fibula. Right answer is C. Femur. Next question, question number second. The bone that forms the part of eye sockets or orbital cavity is option A. Sphenoid, B. Temporal, C. Frontal, and D. Parietal. Right answer is C. Frontal. Frontal bones forms the part of the eye socket. Next question, question number 3. Which of the following is not associated with the bones in human body? Option A. Production of red blood cells. B. Control of blood glucose, blood sugar. C. Protection of internal organs. And D. Storage of minerals. Right answer is B. Control of blood sugar. Blood sugar is not associated with the human body's bones. Next question, question number 4. Examples of long bones are except option A. Femur, B. Sternum, C. Tibia, and D. Fibula. Right answer is B. Sternum. Sternum is not a long bone because it's a flat bones. Example of flat bones. Next question, question number 5. In following which bone is L-shaped? Option A. Maxilla, B. Stapes, C. Palatine, and D. Ethmoid. Right answer is C. Palatine. Palatine bone is L-shaped. Next question, question number 6. Sternum is A. Option A. Irregular bones, B. Flat bones, C. Long bones, and D. Sesamoid bone. Right answer is B. Flat bone. Sternum is a flat bone. Next question, question number 7. Bones of cranium except option A. Stapes, B. Sphenoid, C. Temporal, and D. Frontal. Right answer is stapes. Stapes is not a bone of cranium. It's a bone of ears and it's the smallest bone in the human body, stapes. Next question, question number 8. Hormones that regulates the growth and consistency of size and shape of bones, excluding option A. Growth hormone, B. Adrenaline, C. Thyroxine, and D. Calcitonin. Right answer is B. Adrenaline. Next question, question number 9. How many bones are present in human skull? Option A 42, B 32, C 12, and D 22. Right answer is D 22. 22 bones are present in the human skull. 8 are cranial bones and 14 facial bones. Next question, question number 10. Number of vertebra in human is option A 33, B 32, C 22, and D 26. Right answer is A 33. In human, 33 vertebrae is present. Vertebral column usually consists of 33 vertebra, 24 presacral vertebra, that means 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, and 5 lumbar vertebra, followed by the sacrum. In sacrum, 5 fused sacral vertebra, and in the coccyx, 4 frequently fused coccygeal vertebra. So, in human vertebral column, 33 vertebra are present. Next question, question number 11. Bones consist of A. Water, B. Osteoid, C. Calcium phosphate, and D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Next question, question number 12. Which of the following connects the sternum to the ribs? Option A bony matter, B white fibrous cartilage, C hyaline cartilage, and D areolar tissue. Right answer is C hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage connects the sternum to the ribs. Next question, question number 13. The number of saddle joints in human body is A 10, B 8, C 4, and D 2. Right answer is D 2. So the number of saddle joints in the human body is 2. Next question, question number 14. What type of joint is found in wrist? Option A saddle joint, B gliding joint, C pivot joint, and D hinge joint. Right answer is B gliding joint. Next question, question number 15. Which bone is also known as cheek bone? Option A bomber, B palatine, C maxilla, and D zygomatic. Right answer is D zygomatic. Zygomatic bones is also known as the cheek bones. Next question, question number 16. An example of ball and socket joint is in the human body can be found in the option A shoulder, B knees, C ankles, and D elbow. Right answer is B knees. So in the example of ball and socket joint in the human body is knee joint. Next question, question number 17. Which bone is not attached to any other bone in the human body? Option A stapes, B patella, C hyoid, and D scapula. Right answer is C hyoid bone. Hyoid bone in the human body is not attached to any other part of the body. Next question, question number 18. A long bone has option A 1 diaphysis and 2 epiphysis, B 2 diaphysis and 2 epiphysis, C 1 diaphysis and 1 epiphysis, and D 2 diaphysis and 1 epiphysis. Right answer is A. 1 diaphysis and 2 epiphysis are present in the long bones. Next question, question number 19. Bone forming cells are known as option A osteoblast, B osteocytes, C osteoclast, and D all of the above. Right answer is A osteoblast. Osteoblast cells is known as the bone forming cells. Next question, question number 20. Bone destroying cells are option A osteoblast, B osteocytes, and D osteoclast, and D all of the above. Right answer is C osteoclast. Osteoclast is the bone destroying cells. Next question, question number 21. Haversian systems are found in option A liver, B lungs, C brain, and D bone. Right answer is D bone. Next question, question number 22. Roof of nasal cavity is formed by A sphenoid bone, B frontal bone, C cerebriform plate of ethmoid bone, and D palatine bone. Right answer is C cerebriform plate of ethmoid bone. Next question, question number 23. Nasal septum is formed by A perpendicular plate of ethmoid bone, B perpendicular plate of frontal bone, C cerebriform plate of ethmoid bone, and D sphenoid bone. Right answer is A perpendicular plate of ethmoid bone. Next question, question number 24. Hyoid bone lies or situated option A above the mandible, B above the mandible and below the larynx, C between ethmoid and sphenoid bones, and D below the mandible and above the larynx. Right answer is D below the mandible and above the larynx. Hyoid bone is situated at below the mandible and above the larynx. Next question, question number 25. In following which bone does not have shaft and extremities? Option A femur, B fibula, C tibia, and D sternum. Right answer is D, sternum. Next question number 26. First bone of the vertebral column is option A frontal, B atlas, C stapes and D parietal. Right answer is B atlas. Atlas is the first bone of the vertebral column. Next question number 27. In following which is a horseshoe shaped bone? Option A maxilla, B hyoid bone, C palatine and D ethmoid. Right answer is B hyoid bone. Hyoid bone is a horseshoe shaped bone. Next question number 28. Axis is the name of which cervical vertebra? Option A fifth cervical vertebra, B second cervical vertebra, C third cervical vertebra and D fourth cervical vertebra. Right answer is B second cervical vertebra. Next question number 29. Sacrum has option A 5 fused bones, B 9 fused bones, C 4 fused bones and D 12 fused bones. Right answer is 5 fused bones. Sacrum has a 5 fused bones. Next question number 30. In following which sentence is true? Option A first 10 ribs have no attachment. B first 10 ribs are attached to sternum and last 2 have no attachment. C first 2 are attached and last 10 have no attachment and D all ribs are attached to sternum. Right answer is B. First 10 ribs are attached to sternum and last 2 have no attachment. Next question number 31. Coccix has option A 5 fused bones, B 9 fused bones, C 4 fused bones and D 12 fused bones. Right answer is C 4 fused bones. So coccix has 4 fused bones and in sacrum 5 fused bones. Next question number 32. Which bone is also known as shoulder blade? Option A clavicle, B sternum, C atlas and D scapula. Right answer is D scapula. Scapula is also known as the shoulder blade. Next question number 33. In following which one is known as upper jaw bone? A zygomatic, B mandible, C bomber and D maxilla. Right answer is D maxilla. Maxilla is also known as the upper jaw bone. Next question number 34. In following which bone is known as the lower jaw bone? A zygomatic, B mandible, C bomber and D maxilla. Right answer is B mandible. Mandible is also known as the lower jaw bone and maxilla is upper jaw bone and mandible is lower jaw bone. Next question number 35. Which are the smallest vertebra? A cervical, B lumbar, C thoracic and D sacrum. Right answer is A cervical. Cervical vertebrae are the smallest vertebra. Next question number 36. Movement away from the midline of the body is termed as A adduction, B flexion, C abduction and D extension. Right answer is C abduction. Abduction is the movement that away from the midline of the body. Next question number 37. The synovial joint which is least movable joint? A ball and socket joint, B hinge joint, C pivot joint and D gliding joint. Right answer is D gliding joint. Gliding joint is the synovial joint that is least movable joint. Next question number 38. Turning the sole of the foot inward is called as A inversion, B pronation, C eversion and D supination. Right answer is A inversion. Next question number 39. Which type of movement is found in hinge joint? A. Adduction, B. Rotation, C. Abduction, and D. Flexion. Right answer is D. Flexion. Next question. In following, which bone is not in pair? A. Zygomatic, B. Nasal bones, C. Palatine, and D. Bomber. Right answer is D. Bomber. Bomber bones is not found in a pairs. Next question. Only movable bone of skull is A. Mandible, B. Maxilla, C. Nasal bones, and D. Ethmoid bones. Right answer is A. Mandible. Mandible is the only movable bones of the skull. Next question, question number 42. The bone that forms the back of the head is A. Occiput, B. Sphenoid, C. Parietal, and D. Temporal. Right answer A. Occiput is the bone that forms the back of the head. Next question. Which are the largest vertebrae? A. Thoracic, B. Lumbar, C. Sacrum, and D. Clavicle. Right answer is B. Lumbar. Lumbar vertebra is largest vertebra and clavicle is the smallest vertebra. Next question. In following, which is a breast bone? A. Clavicle, B. Diaphragm, C. Sternum, and D. Vertebra. Right answer is C. Sternum. Sternum is a breastbone. Next question. The part of the bone that enters into the formation of a joint is called as A. Articulating surface, B. Border, C. Fossa, and D. Spine. Right answer is A. Articulating surface. Next question. The joints between the bones of the skull are A. Flexible, B. Fixed, C. Freely movable, and D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Fixed. The joints that present between the bones of the skull is fixed. Next question. Bone is an example of A. Epithelium tissue, B. Connective tissue, C. Nervous tissue, and D. Muscle tissue. Right answer is B. Connective tissue. Next question. Major constituent of bone is A. Calcium phosphate, B. Sodium chloride, C. Calcium gluconate, and D. Calcium chloride. Right answer is A. Calcium phosphate. Major constituent of bone is calcium phosphate. Next question. Which vitamin is required for calcium and phosphate absorption from the intestinal tract? A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin E, C. Vitamin K, and D. Vitamin B. Right answer is vitamin D. Vitamin D is required for the calcium and phosphate absorption from the intestinal tract. Next question. The bone which is also known as kneecap. A. Tibia, B. Fibula, C. Femur, and D. Patella. Right answer is D. Patella. Patella is also known as the kneecap. Thank you for watching.